Hello guys, hope everyone is doing great. If you guys like the content of the video, give it a like and subscribe it. Okay, let's see what we have got today. We will be discussing about the case 2, which is denominator containing repeating linear factors. Like if you see in this problem 2x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x times 1 plus x squared, like this is a proper rational function, whereas the numerator has a lower power than the denominator, so we have nothing to worry about. The only problem that's worrying is the linear factor. So in this case we solve it into partial fractions as a over x plus b over 1 plus x plus c over 1 plus x squared. So here what happens is, like, when you come across repeating linear factors, we have to increase the power from 1 to the highest power. Say for example you have x, here you have 1 plus x to the power cube, then you will have another factor as d over 1 plus x to the power cube, and here this should be 1 plus x, not 1 plus x squared. So that is how you do it. You start from the power 1 and then you increase till the maximum power it has. So we will discuss a problem which has the power 2. So then the simplification is simple. You take the common denominators, as x times 1 plus x squared, then you will have a times 1 plus x squared plus b times x 1 plus x plus c times x. And then by putting x equals 0, you get a as 1, and then by putting x equals minus 1, you get c as minus 2, and then by putting x equals 1, you will get b as 1. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is now substitute the values that you got. 1 over x plus 1 over 1 plus x minus 2 over 1 plus x squared. So this is how you solve when you come across a repeating linear factor when it comes to partial fraction.